Most students skip problems like these thinking it's a tough algebra. But once you see the trick, it will become your favorite. Two finite sets have m and n elements respectively. The total number of subsets of first set is 56 more than the total number of subsets of the second set. The values of m and n respectively are. We have four options. Let us understand the problem clearly. We are given two sets. One has m elements and another has n elements. The number of subsets of the first set is 56 more than the total number of subsets of the second set. We are supposed to find the values of m and n, that is, how many elements are in each of the two sets. Let us consider two sets A and B such that A has m elements and B has n elements. We know that if set A contains m elements, then the number of subsets of A is given by 2 to the power of m. Here A has m elements, so number of subsets of A is 2 to the power of m. And B has n elements, so number of subsets of B is 2 to the power of n. In the problem it is given that the total number of subsets of first set is 56 more than the total number of subsets of the second set. So let us represent this as 2 to the power of m minus 2 to the power of m is equal to 56. Let us take 2 to the power of n common here. So we get 2 to the power of n into 2 to the power of m minus n minus 1 is equal to 2 cube into 2 cube minus 1. So you can observe here in the left hand side, when you take 2 to the power of n common, 2 to the power of m becomes 2 to the power of m minus n. That is 2 to the power of m minus n into 2 to the power of n is nothing but 2 to the power of m. Similarly, 2 to the power of n into minus 1 is minus 2 to the power of n. 56 is nothing but 8 into 7. 8 is nothing but 2 cube and 7 is nothing but 8 minus 1, that is 2 cube minus 1. Now let us compare left hand side and right hand side. We have 2 to the power of n is equal to 2 cube. Therefore, n is equal to 3. Similarly, m minus n is equal to 3 here. Hence, n is 3 and m minus n is equal to 3. Substitute in the second term for n. That is, when you put n equals 3 in the second term, m becomes 6. Therefore, m is equal to 6 and n is equal to 3. Now observe the options. Option C is the correct choice. Two finite sets have m and n elements. The number of subsets of the first set is 112 more than that of the second set. The values of m and n are respectively. Try this similar problem. Post your answers in the comments below and don't forget to like, subscribe for more smart math tricks.